Jamaica is one of the most beautiful and culture-rich islands in the world. Here's the proof. Let's go rafting on one of the most beautiful and scenic river in Jamaica. Welcome back to Island Max, where you can experience the rich Jamaican culture. If this is your first time on the channel, remember to tap that subscribe button and tap the like button. Here we are in Montego Bay, Jamaica, and we're passing Jamaica's tallest building, the Pinnacle. But we're heading to a small community called Lethe. They're in St. James, right on the border of St. James and Hanover, where they do the rafting. We're going to experience the rafting and see just how beautiful it is. So we're in Redding, Montego Bay, and we're going to make the next left turn that will take us onto the famous Long Hill, or the infamous Long Hill here in St. James. And this Long Hill will take us over into Anchovy, and then we'll make that right turn that will carry us into Lethe. And here we are on Long Hill. That's a Jamaica urban transit bus that just passed our publicly owned bus here in Jamaica. The Long Hill is another dangerous road in Jamaica, and we're gonna make the journey up this hill and straight over into the community of Lethe. And it's just trucks and more trucks, heavy units traveling along this road. It's very dangerous. There's a precipice straight over there on your right. So you have to ensure that you pay attention when you're traversing this road. So Lethe is a very rural community where the great river flows, and it's where you can go and experience bamboo rafting. The area is known for its natural beauty and its tranquility. It's a nice, peaceful community. So we've made it to the top of Long Hill, and we're gonna continue on this road until we reach that right turn that will carry us into Lethe. Alright, so the turn is coming up on our right. So we'll make the right turn here and head straight up now into Lethe. Now the word Lethe has a lot of connections to the word river, because the word Lethe in Greek mythology refers to one of the 5 rivers of the underworld. Drinking its water was said to induce complete forgetfulness. But you'll never forget the bamboo rafting experience in Lethe. Trust me. Just the drive up towards Lethe, trust me, the view is so beautiful. Lush green vegetation. Some sections of the road you have bamboo coming across the road. Trust me, it's so beautiful. Just enjoy the view as we head right into Lethe. We're just 30 seconds away. Here we are just passing the Lethe Primary School, and right over this bridge, the river runs under this bridge. So that's the Great River, and this is where the river rafting is done. Let's find a suitable place to park before we head down to the river. Look how beautiful this community is. And look at this amazing view. So this is what the tourists come here to enjoy, rafting along the great river here in Lethe. Look how beautiful this is, man. And so the raft operators would wait at the top until the tourist bus comes, and the tourists will make their way down to the river and experience the beautiful scenes while they raft. This is such a beautiful experience, and if you have ever experienced it before, head to the comments and let me know what your experience here along the Lethe, the Great River rafting. Let me know what your experience is like. Head to the comments and let me know. So on your next trip back to Jamaica, ensure that you experience the Lethe river rafting on the Great River for yourself. Trust me, it's beautiful. It's a nice experience. Again, remember to tap that subscribe button and leave a comment. What do you think about the rafting experience? Have you ever experienced it for yourself? Let me know what it was like in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'm going to make our way back over to the bridge, and I'll see you in the next video. Ensure you watch all the videos on our channel. Bless up. One love, Jamaica.